Is that like one of the biggest questions when people's like, oh, I wanna start flipping houses, or I wanna invest in real estate, but my credit sucks, I'm broke, and I don't know anybody, right? Is that most people? That stops you, right? Well, when it comes to investing in real estate, the one thing that you really need to work on is your relationship with your community. Because being a real estate investor is about problem solving, right? Going back to solving a distressed seller's situation. So you need to build your relationship with your community. Like, I have pretty good connections with Ferry and everybody else around the different states, and they know that I've done excellent deals. Or even in the beginning, I just show up to a meeting. I just literally would like scan the room, like, who do I need to talk to? Who do I need to talk to and get to know? Does this person have something that can benefit me, and I can provide value as well? It's an exchange, right? So that's how you can get your deals funded, is by building your network of investors, contractors, real estate agents. Because you don't know who they know. I was also thinking, I wish I could invest in real estate, but I don't have time. But I have money parked in my retirement account, or have money parked under my bed, right? Especially older folks. So getting your real estate funded is relationship based. I can call up anybody in my network right now and say, hey, I need 50 grand tomorrow because I gotta fund this deal, would you do it? And the probability is pretty high because of the relationship I've built. I've show up to every meeting. One of my mentors calls it, it's called putting in your mat time. It's like, if use an analogy of like baseball, you got to get on the field, you got to step on the plate, swing at it. If you're not showing up in the meetings, like we have meetings like 3 times a week. If you want to build and change your circle of influence, you show up to this kind of meeting. Get to know everybody. All right? That's how you get your deals funded, even if you're broke. Because nobody cares if you're broke, but if your relationship is good, you got people who will fund the deal, as long as it makes sense. Is that making sense so far? Yeah. Is that pretty basic? Yeah. Doesn't require you money, right? All right.